Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 1000. This super sport touring bike just arrived with only 2,492 miles. ABS brakes, inline 4-cylinder, fuel injected, beautiful black metallic paint scheme. Come on by and get this low mileage bike. It's in gorgeous shape. Adjustable windscreen, ABS brakes, traction control. Only $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.